If you suspect that your Epic Games account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Go to the official Epic Games website and navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Make sure to check for any typos before submitting. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Epic Games in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Confirm the new password and save the changes. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security to help prevent future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Epic Games account and enhance its security for the future.